as a doctor someday. And before pursuing your career as a doctor, I wish you to use all your virtue and values in life, and to see yourself as how we see you. Because like this rose, so white rose represents peace, purity, and hope. So as I give this rose to you, I wish that someday your purity and hope towards your goal as a doctor someday would help you so much, especially in your patients. So that's all.
Hi, Jimmy. Happy birthday. Si Jimmy, hindi ko siya ganun ka-close nung first year. Pero ngayong second year, hindi kami close dahil lagi kami magkasama, gano'n. Natatandaan ko lagi kay Jimmy, pag humihingi ako ng candy, lagi siyang meron. Kasi boring yung mga subject. So, lagi siya tinatanong, uy, Jimmy, may candy ka ba? Tapos, lagi kami nagkakasundo dahil sa candy. Ayun. Good luck to studies because I know that this is very difficult and kailangan pa natin ng 6 years para lang maging successful. Ayun, sana pa-graduations mo kasi di ba yung iba hindi nila nakakaya kasi nga maghirap, matagal. Pero alam mo, kaya natin to. So, good luck and wish you all the best.
Good evening. Happy birthday, Chini. Since for sure pa tayo magkasama dito. Noong una, akala ko si Chini, mahihain. Pero kapag naging ka-close na siya, grabe, sasalita ng siya ko sa kakatawa rin sa mga jokes niya. Ang wish ko, first of all, good health to you and to your family, and your happiness, and sana, kaya mo pa mga paghihirap natin sa course ng dentistry.
Hi, Lily. Happy birthday. Katulad na sinabi ni Miro, akala ko din Chini pa mamayain, ganyan. Pero pag na-meet ko siya, sobrang, parang nabulo yung mundo namin lahat. I mean, positive naman siya eh. Kasi pag kasama mo si Chini, hindi ka talaga pwede makalimutan mo yung problema mo. Kasi sobrang friendly and cheerful si Chini. So, ang wish ko, good health and happiness. With success studies natin, kaya natin yan. Kahit mahirap, alam kong aabot natin yung mga dreams natin. So, ingat lagi. And tatandaan mo lagi na nandito kami para sa'yo. Yung gift namin, galing sa aming apat. So, sana magustuhan. Happy birthday and you love. Thank you, mga anak. Guys,